Top 5 tools. Tool number 1. Suggest getting a high quality fine tooth ratchet. Tool number 2. Get high quality socket common use size for jobs. Tool number 3. Next thing I will look at is some quality wrenches. Tool number 4. A high quality lighting to see in dark areas you're working in. Can't get the job done if you can't see. And tool number 5 is some high quality pliers to reach areas and can't take off with your hands. I hope you guys enjoy my top 5 tools. Comment down below what's your top 5 tools. If you guys like the video, please drop a follow, like, subscribe. It will really help me out. Thanks guys for watching.